In the ever evolving world of construction, innovation has become the driven force behind remarkable advancements, catapulting the industry into unprecedented levels of efficiency and productivity. From the revolutionary capabilities of 3D printing to the aerial prowess of drones, a suite of groundbreaking technologies is reshaping the construction landscape. Let's explore these transformative technologies that promise to redefine the construction industry. At the forefront of innovation stands 3D printing or additive manufacturing, rewriting the rules of construction. This game-changing technology allows the creation of intricate shapes and structures from materials like concrete and plastic in a fraction of a time traditional methods would require. 3D printing is not just efficient, it's cost-effective, especially in iterative processes and prototyping. In the construction realm, 3D printing has birthed startups in the US and Europe, showcasing the fabrication of affordable, energy efficient, and sustainable homes. The technology's prowess extends to crafting complex building components, enabling rapid prototyping and testing. Construction workers leverage 3D printing for efficient inspections and repairs on existing structures, eliminating the need for costly and time consuming demolition. Robotics takes center stage as a linchpin in the technological revolution within the construction industry. Advancements in robotic operations of construction equipment are making processes faster, smarter, and more efficient. From excavation to concrete pouring, welding, and wall erection, robotics is streamlining the entire construction life cycle, reducing the reliance on manual labor and enhancing precision. Robotics introduces a paradigm shift in the creation of 3D objects, utilizing additive robotic manufacturing or 3D printing for constructing large infrastructure components swiftly and economically. Automated excavation, a facet of robotics, ensures faster and more accurate digging of trenches and removal of soil. Beyond the construction site, robotics lends its prowess to the creation, inspection, and maintenance of energy production plants. The impact of robotics is profound, not only improving accuracy and productivity but also fortifying safety standards on construction site. The ability to swiftly and efficiently build large and complex structures positions robotics as a key player in the industry evolution. Virtual reality emerges as a transformative force, offering construction professionals a dynamic 3D environment for project visualization. In the planning phase, virtual reality facilitates the detection of potential problems, reducing costs, enhancing design accuracy, and expediting project completion times. Virtual reality technologies allows professionals to visualize and adjust project designs effortlessly, providing a virtual walkthrough for a comprehensive understanding. Simulating construction site conditions aids in swiftly identifying potential issues related to stability, weather, and wind patterns. Visual reality application extend to displaying complex data in an easily digestible format, offering real-time feedback during construction. Notably, virtual reality has become a valuable tool for training and educating construction professionals. The immersive learning environment equips new workers with the first hand experience of the construction domain before embarking on projects. Augmented reality is reshaping how builders and contractors perceive, design, and construct projects. Facilitating collaboration among stakeholders, AR allows for faster and more efficient planning. Real time evaluation of project progress fosters prompt communication and swift responses to necessary changes. AR improves construction plans and designs by providing a 3D visualization of projects and their components. This enhanced understanding leads to better decision making, and AR's data capturing capabilities facilitate quick problem assessment and solution provision. The technology's utility extends to project management, offering information on installation processes, maintenance, documentations of changes, and tracking safety measures. The revolution brought by AR in the construction industry is evident in improved collaboration, enhanced visualization, and more efficient planning capabilities. Its capacity to capture, store, and track data contributes to a better understanding and management of projects throughout their life cycles. Drones or unarmed aerial vehicles introduce a revolutionary approach to data collection, site monitoring, and aerial imaging in the construction industry. Equipped with high resolution cameras, drones provide construction professionals with precise job site imagery, capturing multiple angles efficiently. Software integrated into drones enables professionals to measure and monitor project progress, evaluate work sites safely, and generate 3D models. Drones offer a secure and efficient means of surveying job sites, providing invaluable insights even in hazardous conditions. The technology significantly reduces labor cost and enhances job site safety, revolutionizing data gathering and progress monitoring. In conclusion, the construction industry is undergoing a profound transformation through innovative technologies like 3D printing, robotics, virtual reality, augmented reality, and drone technology. These technologies offering improved accuracy, cost saving, and enhanced safety conditions are set to revolutionize the industry further as they become increasingly ubiquitous. Businesses are urged to stay ahead of the curve, leveraging these opportunities to remain competitive in an industry witnessing dynamic changes. That's it for today. Thank you.